So today I have this very cute plant holder, but I have no plants to go in it. I use this to hang next to my bed, and watering plants over your bed is not a great idea. So I want to use some fake plants, but the problem I find with a lot of fake plants is that they come in pots already. So that's an issue. So anyways, I went to TJ Maxx and I bought like a long plant that was about the same size as this, and then I ripped out all of the little branches. If you don't want to do that, you can totally go to Michael's or Joann's or whatever and buy fake plants. So what you're going to need is a pot holder. I say this every time. What you're going to need is a plant holder, styrofoam. These are about $2.50, or at least this size is. I got two to fit in here. Make sure that you buy more because you can cut it down, but you want to make sure the whole holder is full. So don't skimp on it. Make sure you have enough and more than less. You need your fake plants and you need a knife. It's pretty simple, it's pretty cheap, and it's gonna turn out so cute. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take these foam cubes and you're gonna open this up, get the plastic off, and you're gonna put it into your holder. This holder has a higher and a lower side, and the higher side is what faces out. So we want to make sure that it's about the same height, maybe a little bit lower as our like pot, because if it's too low, it'll sink down. So we want to make sure it's not too high, because then it will be seen. So we want to get it around the same height. So the next thing we want to do is with our second one, or if it's your first one, you want to make sure you want to fit it. You want to line it up and see how much you need to cut off. I'd say cut slower, and then, or like a little bit, and then just keep working your way in, because you don't want to cut too much. Up your knife nice and straight so that when you slice through, you get a nice cut. So once you have it the size you want, you can put it in. I did miss a little bit, so I can go back with the slice that I have and cut it from this. And then I'm just going to push that right there. Make sure it's nice and full. Because they don't fill up the whole container all the way, I'm going to use this extra piece. I don't really need it for anything else. Just put in the back. And the reason I'm doing that is so that these foam pieces are pushed forward and don't move around in the container. Now for the easy part. You're just going to take our long sticks and slide them in. And just kind of keep doing that. You can work from the way out, from the inside. It's kind of up to you. You're just gonna keep pushing them in until you like it. Now it looks nice and full. I want it to be fuller back here though. Here, let's see. I'm just gonna go with some other ones and put them in the back. Totally feel free to move them around. Alright guys, so that is it. This is the final product. I just made sure that all of the little holes were filled and I kept rearranging it until I liked it. But now I think I have it where I want it and we're gonna hang it on the wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. It's very simple, very inexpensive, and it really works for any plant that you have, whether they're flowers or leaves or whatever you want. It kind of works. So if you guys like this, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me, and that bell icon if you want to get notified every time I post. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. Bye!